Yes everyone, what are you lot saying? Today, it's a very tired one from me. I've just had a knock on the door, well, this is about 3 hours ago, and the postman was there and I was like, yeah bro, I just answered out the window and I was like, just drop it out the front. And then I'm like, because I'm on nights and that, I've just woke up properly. Mrs. has called me like, you got a parcel sitting outside? So I looked out the window, I was like, yes, my side skirts have finally arrived. It's been nearly a month. He said 3 to 5 working days, and today was the day I was actually going to try and get a refund off eBay. But thankfully enough, they've actually delivered them, so let's go and get them out of the rain, because they're absolutely soaked. So let's do it. I know this might look mad, yeah, but I went out the other night wearing loafers, and my ankles keep splitting, so when I take my socks off, they just makes my ankles bleed. This one's alright, because we got the hair in the sock. So we can deal with that. That's a bit like a personal thing, like, I don't know whether to like share that with you, but I thought it was hilarious. So, because my heels keep splitting, and they're absolutely killing, and when they split when I wear socks, they're just like, when they dry up, they stick. So when I'm trying to pull my sock off, it's like glued to my ankle, so it's not, I'm not having fun at the minute. Maybe I should get some plasters, what do you recommend? So, right then, let's open this bloody parcel, let's have a look. Right then, there it is, look, absolutely soaked. It's been out there about 3 hours, so let's get it out. Oh, maybe not. Let's just pull the feet. Look at that for an unboxing. I don't think you're going to get a quicker unboxing than that. Oh my goodness me, what a mess. What an actual mess. What a mess, what an actual mess. Straight out like that, because I soaked it up. Mad. I know for a fact, yeah, that no one has done an unboxing quicker than that. That was absolutely rapid. So in all my years of watching YouTube, there's been no faster unboxing than that. 100%. Comment down below if you saw a faster unboxing than that. Right then, let's open her up and see what we got. Right then, so let's get this baby cut open. Try not to cut the mat, because she'll absolutely go mad. Right. Oh my god, they're actually here. What are you lot saying? Look at them. The only thing is, they're not plastic, they're fiberglass. So if you catch them on the curb, they're just going to shatter straight away. Then obviously we've got our self-tapping screws. But I guarantee if you catch one of them, they're just going to snap anyway, so it won't be that bad. Right then. What I'll do, I'll wait for the weather to get better, and then we'll stick them on the car. So obviously now it's a Tuesday evening, so when we switch back to this, maybe Thursday, Friday, we'll get to the install video. So right, catch you in a bit, so see you in a sec. Yes everyone, right then, as promised, we're back for the continuation of the video. People say about in the winter it's going to be hard to do videos if you I'm not the laziest person ever for most of you that know me, but if you do prep your life right and you do it properly, then there'll be no problem. Obviously if it rains, get a gazebo. If it's dark, get some lights. So hopefully in the future when this kicks off and goes rolling, then I'll invest in lights and stuff like that, so even if it's dark I'll be able to throw up a video because I'm prepared. So let's do it. Right, let's show you. So we've got two cheeky side skirts. These just look like normal like tapping screws and that, so you literally just get a Phillips and just screw into the bottom. It does say ABS plastic, but I don't think it is. I think that's fiberglass. So they're the side skirts. I think let's go outside and do it. So what we're going to do, get the jack. We're going to jack up one side of the car just so we can get underneath it, and then line up the goodness and screw it in. So let's do it. There we go. I've just realised I can't actually put the side skirt on with that, so I'm going to put the axle stand up and then hopefully we'll be able to do it then. So let's do it. So next time I skip to you, I'll be on the axle stand. So typical. So as I say about it raining, it starts like raining, so let's get wet then, because obviously this is vlog life, so we got to do to get videos out for you lot. So if it rains, it pours, whatever, we get the video out, that's all that matters. So let's get the drill. So right then, so what we've got is like self-tapping screws. These basically you just like it's got like a Phillips head on it, like so, and obviously you just stick it into your drill, and then you just drill into the splitter slash side skirt. So imagine all this is lined up, just literally drill into it. So I'm gonna line the front end up so it's nice and flush, and just drill straight into it. So right then, we'll go show you how to do it. So basically what I've done here is I've tried to line it up. I'm just gonna go off the back. So I'm gonna sit the back flush, make sure it's pushed in, and then I think I'm gonna start screwing here, and then put like one or two in, and then just put one in there just to secure that, so I know that it's all in place. But I think, to be fair, even just from that, looks pretty sweet. So let's get it on. Let's put the first screw in there. Right then, so that ain't gonna work because I can't get the drill under there, so I think I might have to go from that side first, to be honest, and then as I come across I'll jack the back of the car up, because I ain't gonna be able to do it. Look, like, I'm on an angle, so I can't do it. So I might have to start that end. I'll just check and see if I can get under there, and then we'll see what's what. Well, let's do it. Well, that was decent, isn't it? Absolutely mint. I couldn't have done that any better. I really couldn't have. Look at that for actual perfect hole. So there's the screw there. Look at the hole there. What are the odds of me drilling into that? What a penis. God, let's try it again. Hopefully this works better. So let's see how we get on. So that's two in now. So I'm gonna follow it along like that, and hopefully it should look sweet. How's that look on camera? That's sweet, guys. Let's stick a couple more screws in then. Right then guys, I've done the one side. I definitely need to sort the back out because it looks a bit odd because there's nothing going on the back. Well then, 3, 2, 1. What do we think? How's that look? Bearing in mind I've only saw it from the back, so it might look a bit weird. Do you reckon? Any good, lads? Do you reckon? A bit mad. So we're going to do the same again really. I'm not going to use an axle stand this time. I'm just going to jack it up in the middle and then line the back up and then go all the way across. So let's do it. Yay, finally. On to the next ones. Right then guys, that is us really. I need to get my plate on and put the bar back on because it looks tatty. But I think they do look good. They definitely do look good. Let's go around to the other side. What do we reckon? I don't know. I don't like that. The way they dip, it goes whoop. Don't know. What do you think, guys? I don't know. Not too bad, I guess. Gives it a little bit more aggression there, but I don't know. No idea. Here we go guys, what do you reckon? Right then guys, I can promise you this now, I'm going to stop buying cheap parts because it's not doing me any favours. I could put them side skirts on and I don't know, I just don't like the way they dip in. I'm not supposed to, I don't know if the genuine ones do that as well or whatever, but I'm sick of buying cheap stuff and it just turns out crap because then it costs me twice as much to do it properly. So I think from now on we're sticking to like OEM parts anyway. So I think proper brands, like it just come with screws and that's it. There was no like instructions on which one goes where. The outlines on like the curves on it were not very good, so it's like not very, obviously I know how to do it, obviously you just screw it in, simple as that, but at least if they show you what end to go and stuff like that with a bit of reassurance, you know actually what you're doing is correct. I'm peed off with myself actually, to be fair, buying these crap stuff because the car deserves better and I'm just letting myself down and letting the car down, you know what I mean? And even you guys, because obviously I want it to look epic. So right, wrap this up. Let's see what videos we can bring the weekend. So peace.